A suspicious activity warning on Freecash usually means the platform's automated security system detected something that looks unusual, and many cases can be resolved by fixing the trigger instead of creating a new account. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons this message appears, how to fix it safely, and what to avoid so your account stays in good standing. The first thing to do is stop trying repeated logins, withdrawals, or offer completions. Every additional failed attempt can create more security flags. Close the app completely, wait a few minutes, and sign back in. Next, check whether you're using a VPN, proxy, private DNs, or emulator. Freecash relies on security checks to verify users and track offer completion correctly. If you're connected through a VPN or using an Android emulator, disconnect it and use your normal internet connection on a real mobile device or computer. If you've recently switched phones or logged in from several devices or locations in a short period, that can also trigger a review. Use the same device and network you normally use whenever possible. Now, confirm that your account information is accurate. Make sure your email address is verified and complete any identity verification requests shown inside the app. If Freecash asks for verification, finish that process before attempting another withdrawal. Another common cause is completing offers in ways that advertisers don't allow. Avoid creating duplicate accounts, using fake information, resetting advertising IDs to repeat offers, or trying the same promotion from multiple devices. Those actions can trigger both advertiser and platform security systems. If the warning appeared immediately after cashing out, give the account some time. Security reviews can temporarily delay withdrawals while activity is checked. During that period, avoid submitting multiple withdrawal requests. If the warning doesn't disappear after you've removed possible triggers, contact Freecash support from inside your account. Explain when the message started, what device you're using, and include screenshots if possible. Clear details help the support team review your account faster than sending multiple short messages. To recap, stop repeated login attempts, disable VPNs and emulators, stick to one device when possible, complete any required verification, follow offer rules carefully, and contact support if the warning remains after you've checked everything. Try those steps one at a time before making more account changes. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides and quick app fixes.